I'm JollyDidi and let's play with JollyDidi's Toyrama. You remember last time we were making this beautiful sweets and snacks house from Hansel and Gretel. Do you guys remember? But we couldn't finish it. So we'll be finishing it now. Let's start. What should we do next? How about we decorate the top now? The front looks quite delicious already, don't you think so? So, what should we make? How about some muffins? I really like muffins. So what should I make it with? I've got yellow, red, white and green. I think I'll use white first. It looks weird on top, but it's okay. How about I use this red from my candy cane to decorate it. Doesn't it look amazing? Chocolate chip cookie with red velvet icing and a vanilla cake? Okay, it's a vanilla cake. Wow! One muffin done. Where should I put it? Here? Here? Yeah, I think this looks nice. I'll need to fix it here. How about I make one more flower right here? Look nice, wouldn't it? Cake is green. Green apple? Okay, it's a green apple cupcake with vanilla frosting and chocolate chip. Of course, we can't forget the chocolate chip. Cupcakes are ready. 2 cupcakes ready. Isn't it amazing? Okay. Should I decorate it a bit? I think I should. Let's take out my extruder. Let's make with some Play-Doh. So first, let's roll this. Oh, what design? I think I'll use this star. I don't know why, but I like stars. It looks so pretty. Dough is done. Now how do I decorate this? You know how the smoke puffs out of the chimney? How about I try to make some with candy? Which candy looks like puffy smoke? I know. Cotton candy. Doesn't that look exactly like clouds and puffs of smoke? But how do I make it? How about I use this? Should I try it? First I'll have to clean up again. Do you think it'll work? They look like spaghetti, don't they? Pink colored spaghetti. That's it! We're done! Look! We're done with the candy house from Hansel and Gretel. I think mine looks better, doesn't it? Wow! It's got cupcakes and biscuits and some tasty treats. It's got a waffle dough, lots of gems and candy canes too. Wow, it's done. But now, it's time to go home already. Oh, now I have to clean up. But I had so much fun making this house. Let's clean up quickly. That's it, we're done. Bye.